Welcome back, everyone. We're at the beginning of episode 3 on the AVLB restoration. The next thing you guys are going to see is we're going to put everything together, all the parts and pieces that we've repaired. We're going to reassemble everything and get everything back on the bridge layer. Now that we have both bridge halves in the shop, the next step will be to marry them together. And once that's complete, we can finish the rest of the assembly. What we're going to do now is we're bringing the bridge layer back in so we can hook the hydraulics up, because we need to extend the cylinder so that we can get the holes lined up so we can drop this pin in. So the next step in the process is we're going to move the assembled bridge outside of the building so that we can hook the launcher back up to it, and then we can test the bridge and make sure that all the components are working properly. Thank you everyone for following the restoration shop in our efforts to refurbish the M48 AVLB. We encountered several challenges, but in the end, the final product is something we can all be proud of. If you liked this series, please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment.